In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Indeed app if it's not working. Now, I know this can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to search for jobs or manage your applications. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support really helps me create more content for you. First, let's start with the basics. Sometimes the issue could just be a temporary glitch. If you're experiencing problems with the Indeed app, the first thing you should do is restart it. Simply swipe up or double tap the home button on your device, depending on whether you have an Android or iOS device, and close the Indeed app. Once it's completely closed, open it back up and see if the issue has resolved itself. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. The Indeed app relies on a good internet connection to function properly. Ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or checking that your mobile data is turned on. If you have a weak signal, or if the Wi-Fi is spotty, try moving closer to your router or turning Wi-Fi off and back on again to reset that connection. Should the internet connection seem fine and the app still isn't working, let's move on to clearing the app's cache. This can be especially helpful if there are corrupted files affecting its performance. For Android users, go to your device settings, find Apps, select Indeed, and look for the option that says Storage. Once you find that, tap on Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you may not have a direct cache clearing option, so you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve a similar result. Now, if you've cleared the cache and still no luck, let's check if there are updates available for the Indeed app. Developers are always making adjustments and releasing updates to fix bugs or improve functionality, so having the latest version on your device is important. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check if there's an update available for the Indeed app. If there is, go ahead and install it. Moving on, if the app still doesn't function properly after updating, it could be an issue with the permissions. This might sound a little technical, but it's quite simple. Go back to your device settings, find Apps, select Indeed, and this time navigate to Permissions. Make sure that the Indeed app has permission to access your location, storage, and any other necessary permissions. Sometimes, if these are restricted, the app may not perform as intended. If you've checked all of that and the app still isn't working, you might want to consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. This method can fix any unresolved issues that might be preventing the app from functioning correctly. Uninstalling will remove the application entirely, so be sure to log in again and check if it's working properly after reinstallation. Lastly, if none of these steps work for you, the problem could actually be on Indeed's end. Sometimes, servers experience downtime or maintenance, causing the app to act up. You can check Indeed's official social media pages or website for any announcements regarding outages. To summarize, if your Indeed app isn't working, try these steps. Restart the app, check your internet connection, clear the app cache, check for updates, review the app permissions, uninstall and reinstall the app, and finally, verify if there are any issues on Indeed's side. I hope these tips help you get back to job hunting without any further hassles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this guidance useful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search.